This is the ninth question from Desmos SAT Test 3 Module 1, and it reads, at how many points do the graphs of the given equation intersect an xy plane? If you know that when the slopes are equal, slope 2, and the y-intercepts are not 10 and negative 1, then there's no intersection, and then you're good. Otherwise, you could throw it into Desmos, and they look parallel, so no intersection. If you're not sure, zoom out until they merge as one line. If they look parallel the whole way until they merge into one line, then you know that they are parallel. See the full length video, check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. The longer videos just above the shorter videos. Have a great day.